Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to rip the second Illusions pack that I bought from my local Walmart the other day. So the first one, I've already opened the first pack and I pulled the base Wiggins, Gordon, Keon Johnson, Brandon Boston Jr., Wood, and then for the inserts I got King of Cards, RJ Barrett, and then base Levine, Chris Paul, Trae Young, Rudy Gobert, Devin Bane, and I pull the orange Desmond Bane. So that was fun. Right there. So we are going to rip this pack, the second one, and see what we get. You can see I'm trying to grow my personal collection here, and it's getting, and I need to organize my collections, but anyway, let's get right into it. So we got John Collins and Evan Fournier right there. We got Mike Conley right there. Then Harris Barnes. Ooh, Giannis. That's a good pull. I know it's base, but I've been wanting a Giannis. Card, regardless, either a base or an insert, an auto, or parallel. I've been wanting a Giannis, so that's a good pull. So that's good. Right there, we got Ben Simmons. We got Wendell Carter Jr. Oh man, I thought he was Ja. We got Zaire Williams. And who is this? So we got Operation Detonation. And it is Shai Alexander from the OKC. That's hard to read. It's hard to read, but that looks good. This is not numbered. There. Ooh, we got Alex Caruso. Okay. And we got Jason Kidd. Yeah, definitely. I used to collect his cards, so we'll keep them. Oh, we got Cade, baby. We got Cade. A rookie card too. Oh yeah. And Jericho Sims. Okay. That was definitely fun. So we are going to top load that. So it's a rookie card right there. You can see it. Yeah. So a recap. So we pulled Cade Cunningham as first one. There's that was a great pull. And then rookie card, Jericho Sims, and then the rest of the base card. And then we got Jason Kidd. Love the dude. Used to collect his cards. And we have Operation Detonation, and then we got Giannis as base. So that's good. So far, I like the illusions. So I do have a blaster pack, or excuse me, blaster box from Illusion that I'm going to break on my next video. So thank you for watching. Let me know which cards or which pack you guys like from my videos and comment down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.